But it may take a slow and well thought out effort to trap individuals for years. This is how it usually goes. They romanticize you with promises, love, and affection, and learn your strengths, weaknesses, and emotional triggers. You are pulled in, and the decline begins. Minor gaslighting, doubting everything, occasional validation, withholding affection, and twisting conversations until you are confused. They move super fast to get you more committed, living with, sharing finances, marriage, pregnant, so it's more difficult to leave. Future faking and conflict keep you on your toes, and paranoia and projection leads you to believe you are the issue. Set yourself free. Get out, stay out, go no contact to stay silent. They have taken enough of your life already. They will never be satisfied. There is no pleasing them. It's all about conditioning and being in control. Till next time, continue to educate yourself on what you may be going through in your relationships. It will help you to recognize their manipulative behavior early on. To learn more, click the link in the bio and purchase you a copy of Healing from Narcissists. Big print, easy read, uplifting affirmation. And start your journey of healing the parts of you that attract the narcissist in your life. And start building a life that does not include them at all. You are worth any investment it takes to heal beyond their reach. Till next time, grab your copy.